Why, hello, friends. I have missed you. I'm in New York City, and I know this is going to come as a real surprise to some of you, but on a couple of streets, they have a bit of a rat problem. I just read how they are trying to come up with these new traps that use Oreos as bait. Why are you trying to lure me? I can't help myself. Today, I'm going to show you my handheld clay extruder. I got this for the holidays in 2020, so it's been sitting around for a while. It comes with a 1/2 inch circle die and 2 blanks for you to design your own. And also at the time I bought an additional set that would produce hollow pieces. I didn't really use it until recently when I decided to make a mug handle mold. When I pull a handle, it's thinner in the middle and thicker on the outsides, and I soon realized it would not release from the mold. Trust me. You know what they say in mold making, 5th time's the charm. And then it dawned on me, hello, this was the exact thing my extruder was meant for. I realized the piece I wanted was a rounded rectangle shape. I didn't really have that in any of the dies I had. I looked online. They either came in larger sets or were too pricey or had really expensive shipping. I know how to get the piece I want. I could 3D print it. I live with a guy that has a 3D printer. And his name is my husband. He's printed me some amazing things so far. A disc that will extrude textile pieces, a cat head, hello, a cat head. Lots of different handle shapes, but he made me the perfect rounded rectangle. I mean, look at this. Look at this. It's perfect. I still need to do some cleaning up, but this can go right in my damp box for use on a mug at a later date, or we can cast this for our mug handle. I'm telling you, 6th time's the charm. 6ths. Hard to say. Hard to say. 6ths. I'm gonna show you how this gun works. You squeeze these 2 parts together and pull the lever back. I only pull the lever back enough to allow the small amount of clay and my die to enter the chamber. After my clay goes inside, put the perfect rounded rectangle disc at the end, close up the cap, and I'm ready to go. I like to lay it on its side so I can catch the pieces as they extrude so they don't curl. The softer the clay you use, the easier it will be to squeeze. When you've pushed all the clay through, you unscrew the top. If it's hard to turn, I press this lever and it releases the pressure and the top screws off easily. Then these parts are super easy to clean. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my videos. I just recently hit 400 subscribers. To me, it's pretty impressive that my mom has that many friends. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, stay home, stay put. It's very fun to have a husband who has a 3D printer. I don't know why everything is like a robot. Okay.